everyone! So today I'm going to be filming a spring makeup look, and I'm also collaborating with Paige. Don't forget to check out her video right here. Also, don't forget to like this video for positive vibes, because positive vibes are great, fabulous, and wonderful. So don't forget to hit that like button for both my video as well as Taylor's video. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 2,000 subscribers. So fingers crossed we could get there, hopefully soon. Without further ado, let's get started with the spring makeup look. So ever since I did Nikki Tutorial's makeup look, I loved how my face makeup came out. I'm taking this Lancome face primer. I normally take a dollop size. I already moisturized my face before this. And I have this big pimple, but whatever. So mixing my favorite tinted moisturizers, Laura Mercier's Bare Radiance and Laura Mercier's Golden Radiance. I'm taking this Estee Lauder Double Wear Concealer. I'm going to be applying a little bit on my under eye circles, just a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and on the tip of my nose. Taking my Beauty Blender and just blending everything in. So now I'm going to be setting my under eye circles a little bit with this Estee Lauder Setting Pressed Powder. So since I used the foundation on my eyelids as a primer, basically, I'm going to be starting off with the eyes. I'm going to be taking my favorite and the only makeup palette I have, the Tartelette Bloom palette. This is a very neutral palette. It has all neutral shades. So if you're looking for a simple palette, go with the Tartelette Bloom one. I'm taking this fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using the color Jet Setter, and I'm going to be applying it on the outer V and lightly creating a transition. So a little trick that my mom taught me when you're trying to get a good transition on your lid is get a mirror and kind of place your head a little bit up and the mirror a little bit lower so that you can see where your cut crease is, and then you can begin applying the transition. I'm not really into any crazy colors unless it's something that goes with my outfit. Like if I have a very colorful hipster outfit, I would probably do a little bit of color on my eyelids, but other than that, I'm pretty simple and natural when it comes to my makeup. Well, now we have this natural transition color. So this is from Laura Mercier. It's 4 different highlighters. You have a shimmery light pink, a shimmery darker pink, a brownish shimmery pink color, and then a champagne color. I'm going to be taking this pink color. This is called Pink Mosaic, if you're wondering the name of it, because it says it right on the back. So I'm going to be applying this to my eyelid area. So to create this glossy eyelid effect, I'm going to be taking a little bit of this Estee Lauder Lip Gloss in the number 210 and just apply a little bit to my eyelid. So I'm going to apply a little bit on the eyelid area. So next I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighting pencil, and I'm just going to be applying it on the inner corners. So while my eyelashes are drying, I'm going to be applying a second coat, but after I finish my face makeup. Taking the Kat Von D Shade Light Contouring Kit, I'm going to be using this color for bronzer, and I normally make a backwards 3 shape whenever I do my bronzer. I normally do bronzer on my face because my face is really pale. Then I'm going to be taking Laura Mercier's bronzing powder, and I'm going to be bronzing my face a little bit more. I'm just going to be making this motion and just applying it on my cheeks a little bit. I'm just going to be taking this white eyeshadow called Shimmer and just applying it on the brow bone. I'm going to be taking the Tarte Blush in Paaarty and applying it to my cheeks. I just need a mirror, so. I don't know why, but I feel like using this stippling brush as a blush brush makes the blush look very natural and not harsh at all. Now I'm going to be coating my eyelashes for a second time. I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and I remember people raved about all the Wet n Wild highlighters. I'm going to take my favorite lip color. I really hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button for both my video as well as Taylor's. Don't forget to support both my channel and her channel as well. Subscribe to the Beautiful Angels Club to receive positive vibes, because positive vibes, positive life. I will see you guys soon. I love you all very much. Hashtag never give up. Peace out, peeps.